Hello, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is the recipe of a very tasty dish. It's nothing but a pepper chicken. So let's get started. We have taken 1 kg of cleanly washed chicken. That's why you can see this yellow color. We have added some turmeric. And next we are squeezing out a half lemon juice. And next we are going to marinate our chicken. So for that we are adding some salt and then a lemon juice, and we are going to mix them up well now so that the salt is spread evenly all over the chicken. And then we're going to put this aside. Next we are taking 2 spoons of pepper and 1.5 spoon of fennel seeds, and then we are going to dry roast them. So we're not adding any oil, we are just roasting them dryly. So once it is roasted, we are putting them into a mixie to make it into a fine powder. And then we are going to marinate our chicken using this powder. So add the powder to the chicken, and then using a spoon or using your hand, it's up to you. You can marinate the chicken very well and then leave it for half an hour. Next we are going to roughly chop some onions, some ginger, curry leaves, green chili and garlic. Now we are going to smash our garlic and our ginger. Next we are heating a pan, adding some oil into it, and then into it goes our ginger and garlic that we have smashed. So once it is roasted, we are adding curry leaves into it, and then onions, and then salt them well, and we are adding some salt to it so that it cooks faster. So we are going to keep sauteing it. So we are not going to add any extra masalas here, and that's all. We are going to add our marinated chicken. That is half an hour of time is required to marinate this chicken, and then mix them well. And you can add little amount of water to it. Not much of water is required because chicken itself has some water content, so that is enough for the chicken to get cooked well. So once we have mixed them well, we can add little water to it. And then we are going to put chilies, green chilies to it, 1 or 2, and then close the lid and boil it. So this is how a pepper chicken looks now. You can have it with naan, you can have it with parotta, you can have it with roti or even with rice. It is a perfect one. And now we're going to add some soy sauce to it. Only a little amount, and then we are mixing it up well. And then let's garnish this with some curry leaves. So here's the recipe of the very tasty pepper chicken. Hope you all will like this video, and don't forget to try this recipe and if so, if you do like them, please subscribe share, comment, and do like our videos. Thank you.